The most significant outcome of the Haitian Revolution was the abolition of slavery and the establishment of Haiti as an independent nation in 1804. The enslaved population, predominantly of African descent, successfully fought against French colonial rule, creating a free black republic in the process. This achievement was a powerful statement against the institution of slavery and had a lasting impact on Haiti's national identity. Cultural fusion. The revolution was characterized by a blend of African, European, and indigenous cultures. The diverse backgrounds of the rebels contributed to a unique and rich cultural heritage that became an integral part of Haiti's identity. Elements such as Vodou, a syncretic religion combining African and Catholic traditions, played a significant role in shaping the cultural identity of the newly independent nation. Defiance against colonial powers. Haiti's successful revolt against one of the most powerful colonial empires of the time challenged the